how to download any video from any website on PC. So what we're going to do here on the homepage for Google, we're going to search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link here. On top here, type video downloader. This shows the credibility of this extension, and you are going to be taken to this page. And on this page, you have to click on Add to Chrome. When you click on that, click on Add Extension, it's going to be downloaded to your Google Chrome web browser. When it's done, you're going to see this pop-up notification which says Video Downloader Professional has been added to Chrome. So what you can do here is simply click on these extensions, and what you have to do now is just click on Pin. It's going to be pinned here for easy access. So now when you go to any website where there are videos, for instance here, you can just click on that extension. You're going to see all the videos you can download from this website here, and it's easy for you to just click on the download button and the video gets downloaded for you. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.